Welcome to Back to Basics Breathwork, which is a very simple and effective method for relaxation and health promotion. I'm Gillian Godtfredsen.
And I'm Melinda Merunada.
We've worked together for 25 years within the fields of energy work, designing and delivering courses for health promotion. I'm a doctor of Metaphysics and hold a Ph.D. in holistic life coaching.
And I hold 9 master degrees within health, medical science, psychology and teaching. I am also qualified to teach, design and deliver courses for doctors, and I am also a Montessori teacher.
Today we're going to go back to basics and share with you a very easy method for effective health promotion through breathwork. In our daily lives, many have forgotten the value of breathwork. We can survive for weeks without food, days without water, but only minutes without air. Breath is the fundamental element of life. Breathing represents the pattern of life that constantly repeats itself, and we can greatly benefit from connecting our health and well-being processes to our breath. Breathing is a 4-part process reflecting our lives. Just like the seasons, it's a cycle of birth, growth, harvest and rebirth. Breathwork has many benefits, including physical, psychological, emotional and spiritual. So let's start. Melinda is going to lie down here and I will guide us through the process. So you can find a place where you can remain undisturbed for around 15 minutes. The process can be done sitting upright or lying down in an open position, although this works best lying down where your spine stays naturally straight. Make sure your clothing is loose so there's no tightness on your body. If you need to support your neck with a small pillow, you can do that now. Or if you need to ease your back to help protect it and to have better contact with the surface beneath you, you can place a roll under your knees. Just take a few moments now to find a comfortable position. Okay, now try to breathe in and out through your nose. This makes it easy to regulate the amount of air transported into your lungs. But if that's challenging for you, just breathe in the most comfortable way for you. Begin to notice how the air flows into your body through your nose or your mouth. Notice the temperature of the air that you breathe in, and notice the movement in your chest as you breathe at your own comfortable pace, in and out, in and out. If you wish, you can place one of your palms on your navel, and as you exhale, notice how your navel moves closer to your spine. And when you inhale, your navel rises and your belly expands. The lungs are pear-shaped with the largest part at the bottom. So when you breathe correctly, there is less movement in the upper chest, less than most people assume. If you wish, you can place your other palm on your chest, approximately over your heart. Breathe calmly in and out. You may notice that the hand on your chest moves less than the hand on your stomach. Just continue breathing at a comfortable pace. And imagine having a large balloon inside your body, starting well below your navel, filling your entire body. And its walls are light, elastic and warm. And no matter how much air you inhale, the walls of the balloon expand smoothly and effortlessly. And when you exhale, the walls return in place or perhaps even collapse slightly, and that's okay. Just imagine that balloon with strong, flexible, warm walls moving rhythmically. And allow yourself to breathe deeply, calmly and effortlessly. When we breathe incorrectly, we place unnecessary stress on our system. Mindful breathing leads to a more relaxed state and actually provides more energy. Now, when you inhale next time, we're going to count slowly to 5. And when you exhale, we're going to count slowly to 5. So inhale now, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now to 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now just continue at your own comfortable pace. Just allow your breath to find a rhythm and pace that feels comfortable for you. And gradually, as you slow down your breathing in this way, you may find yourself in a meditative state. Just notice what happens. And whatever happens, it's okay. And it's part of your process of becoming more conscious and insightful about the nature of breathing. If you drift out of the relaxed state and your thoughts start flooding in, just calmly continue counting as you breathe. That's good. And as you continue to listen to my voice, I'll guide you through a short meditation that will help you to boost your energy and vitality. This meditation will help you connect with the sun's warmth, light, and revitalizing energy. So just gently close your eyes if they're not already closed, or soften your gaze and continue breathing at your own comfortable pace. Feel the surface beneath your body, grounding you to the earth. And imagine roots extending from the base of your spine, or feet, or both. Roots anchoring you deeply into the ground. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more steady, more connected, more grounded. You are completely safe. Now imagine the sunlight touching your skin. Feel its warmth gently embracing you. Imagine this golden light seeping into your body, filling you with radiance, vitality, and life force. With each inhale, draw in the sun's energy, a warm, vibrant glow filling each cell. With each exhale, release any unwanted tension and heaviness. And breathe in light. And breathe out all which no longer serves you. Visualize a golden sphere of sunlight at the center of your chest, in your solar plexus, your inner power center. With each breath, this light expands, growing brighter, stronger, and more radiant. Feel the energy pulsing through you, awakening your strength, confidence, and motivation. Every inhale draws in vitality and life force energy. Every exhale releases things you no longer need. If you wish, you can use some affirmations together with me. You can say after me, I am filled with radiant energy.
I am filled with radiant energy.
I absorb the sun's warmth and strength.
I absorb the sun's warmth and strength.
I am powerful, vibrant, and alive.
I am powerful, vibrant, and alive.
I am healing in the sun.
I am healing in the sun.
And just continue to absorb the life-giving energy from the sun. Now gently bringing your awareness back to your surroundings, aware of your body, and begin to move your fingers and toes gently. Take a deep breath in, feeling refreshed, energized, ready to shine and glow. And whenever you're ready, you can open your eyes, carrying this sunlit energy with you into the rest of your day. Thank you for joining us for this session with Back to Basics Breathwork.